In 2025, the world changed faster than ever before. AI was no longer a futuristic dream. It became an everyday tool. Some feared it, others ignored it, but a few saw something powerful.
AI-driven analytics.
They realized
Watch how
that
these
AI
patterns
wasn't
evolve
just
in
about
real time.
replacing humans, it was about amplifying them. And among those few was Ethan, a young entrepreneur who discovered that one AI tool could replace his entire 5-person team and change his destiny forever.
Ethan was exhausted. His startup was falling apart. 5 employees, 5 salaries, 5 deadlines every day. Clients kept demanding more, faster, cheaper, better. But there were never enough hours. He felt trapped in a system where hard work no longer guaranteed success. He often stared at his reflection in the dark office window, whispering to himself, "Maybe I'm not built for this."
One late night, while scrolling through his feed, a headline caught his eye. AI tool replaces entire creative team, here's how. He almost scrolled past, but curiosity won. He clicked. The video showed an AI platform that could generate marketing plans, create designs, edit videos, write blogs, and even manage schedules. Ethan was skeptical, but desperate. He downloaded the trial version.
Ethan gave the AI its first test. Create a full marketing campaign for my client, Vision X. Within 30 minutes, logo concepts, slogan ideas, ad copy, visuals, and a content calendar appeared before his eyes. It was like magic. Then he tried another. Generate a 60-second promotional video. The AI used voice synthesis, auto-editing, and dynamic transitions, producing something his human team usually took 3 days to make.
This is incredible.
When Ethan showed the results to his team, they were stunned. Some were amazed, others were afraid. "Are you saying this thing can do our jobs?" one of them asked. Ethan hesitated. He didn't want to replace them. But deep inside, he knew the world had changed. Instead of firing his team, Ethan restructured everything. He told them, "AI isn't here to replace you, it's here to multiply you." He trained each member to master one AI tool. Soon, his designer was using Midjourney for instant concept art. His editor used Runway for auto-editing. His writer used ChatGPT for creative copy. And Notion AI handled project management. Within weeks, productivity exploded. What used to take 5 days now took 5 hours. 3 months later, Ethan's business was unrecognizable. Expenses dropped by 70%. Profits tripled. Clients loved the new speed and creativity. He no longer felt chained to his laptop. He finally lived the dream, a business that worked for him. Ethan realized something powerful. AI doesn't take away human value, it reveals it. It handles what we don't want to do so we can focus on what we love to do. In the end, AI didn't replace his team, it made them unstoppable. Today, Ethan runs 5 automated digital businesses, powered entirely by AI. When people ask, "How many employees do you have?" he smiles and says, "Just one, artificial intelligence." But his story is not about technology. It's about transformation. It's about using AI not to replace humans, but to free them. AI isn't the enemy. It's the greatest tool humanity has ever built. And those who learn to use it will shape the future. Subscribe to MoneyVerse Stories, because the next revolution begins with you.